YouTube, y'all know what's going on, man. So look, it's your boy SRT Nelson, man. We back with another video. So look, I broke my bike. You know, I bought this bike brand new. It maybe had no miles on it. It's an RFZ Apollo. It's a 2021. It's really brand new, like no bullshit. It's brand new. It's a brand new bike. I had it maybe since 2021 when it first came out. I got it with 0 miles, pre-built from Traders Village. Shout out to Traders Village if anybody familiar with Traders Village. So right now, my focus is to get this back together. My dumb ass ain't been taking care of it. I need to get all this rust off here because first of all, this was a brand new bike. So I pretty much just let this bike go to shit like a dumbass. As you can see, so this is the next content for this channel, man. I want to get this up and running by the time it gets cold. So I'm gonna have my homeboy Vic come out actually today. That's what we'll do today. So I'll have my homeboy Vic come out today, look at it. He probably just gonna take it home, get me back up and run it. And I'm gonna soup it. I'm finna customize this bike though. This is gonna be a custom bike. I'm gonna get it to, you know, what I like, my liking, my spec. But yeah, man. So this what I left fuel in there too. So this motherfucker stinks. The gas can stink. He said you gotta run all. Pretty much flush everything out, redo the brakes, probably not redo them, probably just gotta take them off and fucking soak them, get some of that rust off. But I really have been bullshitting with this bike for no reason. So this is all me careless. Even though I know they made to go through like water, terrain and all that stuff. I just don't like my bike looking like that because it's not a bike that's, you know, it's not a bike that how you say it, it's not a bike that should be out like that. It ain't even been drove. I only rode it one day. Literally, I learned how to ride it and I put it up. I do not know how to wheelie or anything like that. So that's why I want to get this bike up. This is the perfect bike to start getting comfortable with riding. The wheeling and all that comes later. But right now, I'm just focused on riding, learning the gears, things like that. If you got any tips on how you learn how to ride, or as far as the gears, I know on my bike, the gears are up instead of down or something, somebody told me. So yeah, for the most part, I just want to get this bike going, get y'all some more content. You can see this, the seat, just look at the metal. A lot of the metal's still good. It's crazy. But yeah, so we'll start hauling this with those, you know. Start hauling this with those. My bad, that's my recycling garbage can, so I'm recycling now. Yeah, I recycle a lot.